by and take a look at the 2013 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.